What's happening, YouTube? I have a small project on my hands today. What I'm doing is I'm going to change out my amber signal running light covers, and I got on Amazon to order me some smoked ones. So let's see how they look. This is a simple project, but I'm on my 2 videos a week, and this will count as number 3. So let's see if we can add these followers up. All right, so check them out here. Pretty cool, look decent. Oh, I only thought it came with 1. I'm like, oh, I need 2. I'm gonna take a video, well, not a video, I'm gonna take a picture with the lights on and we can see how they look. Turn it on. Straight. Let's get to work.
It must have been meant for me to be rich. If only my dead niggas could have lived to see this. I appreciate what the Lord gave to me, but I don't appreciate is how these niggas be hating me. What is it? Is it the car? Is it the juice? Is it the...
Yo, they I like it. Cheap, simple upgrade for $8. Can't go wrong with it. Give it another little OG look. About to turn the lights on. I'm also gonna post a video. Not a video, but post a picture of both. Let's see, left one. They still look amber. They still look amber through the camera, through the video, but hey, yeah, to the bike, another look to it. I'm about to post a photo of the befores and afters. Let me know what you think. 1 second.
For sure. I got my gag, so you know what that means. It's a bust back thing. I ain't going out like a hoe. When you're coming to get me, I got the fofo. When you come to down me, player, please don't miss. Cause that don't do nothing but get my trigger finger pissed. If I live, I live. If I die, it's cool. Cause I know for sure when I was here that I was a fool. If you're gonna drill me, come on.
Like the overall outcome, a nice, simple upgrade that cost me no more than $7. I put up some pictures that we can see what the amber lights look like compared to the smoke lights. As always, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Should I upgrade? Should I leave it alone? As always, like, comment, subscribe, even share. Let me know what you think in the comments. Y'all take it easy.